Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain Firebase in VS Code. To begin, you will first need to install the Firebase command line interface globally using npm. Next, open Visual Studio Code and search for the official Firebase extension in the marketplace, then install it. Once installed, use the command palette to authenticate your Firebase account, linking your editor to your projects. Finally, initialize a Firebase project in your workspace to connect your local development environment with your cloud resources. Developing with Firebase in VS Code offers powerful integration. You can deploy your cloud functions, hosting assets, and Firestore security rules directly from your editor with just a few clicks. The integrated emulators allow you to test all your Firebase services locally, providing a rapid development cycle. You also gain access to real-time logs and monitoring for your deployed functions, and can manage your Firestore data and collections through a convenient, integrated interface, streamlining your workflow significantly. Debugging and testing are crucial for robust applications. Within VS Code, you can set breakpoints directly in your Cloud Functions code, enabling step-through debugging to pinpoint issues efficiently. The Firebase emulators are invaluable for testing functions, Firestore, and hosting locally, ensuring your application behaves as expected before deployment. You can view detailed error messages and stack traces right in the VS Code terminal, and easily integrate with various testing frameworks to automate your unit and integration tests, saving you significant time. To maximize your productivity, leverage several advanced features. Utilize built-in snippets and auto-completion for faster, error-free Firebase-related coding, reducing typing and improving accuracy. The integrated terminal allows you to execute advanced Firebase CLI operations without leaving your editor. For complex project structures, configure custom deployment scripts to automate intricate deployment processes. Finally, collaborate seamlessly with team members by sharing project settings and recommended extensions, ensuring a consistent and efficient development environment for everyone involved in the project.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.